Unlocking Data Insights, Essential Power BI. Introduction to Power BI. Are you struggling to make sense of your business data? Meet Power BI, the powerful analytics and business intelligence tool that helps you turn complex data into actionable insights. Problem statement: challenges with unorganized data. Managing data can be overwhelming. Disconnected data sources, manual reporting, and unclear visualizations can slow down decision-making and limit your business growth. Introduction to Power BI Unified Data Analysis. Power BI brings all your data together in one place, giving you the power to analyze, visualize, and share real-time insights. Say goodbye to data silos and hello to a unified view of your business. Feature one easy data visualization. Create stunning, interactive dashboards and reports in minutes. Power BI's drag dash and a drop interface makes it easy to visualize your data, helping you spot trends and insights at a glance. Feature 2: connect to multiple data sources. No matter where your data lives, whether it's in Excel, your CRM, cloud apps, or databases, Power BI connects to it seamlessly. Combine data from multiple sources for deeper analysis. Feature 3: real-time insights. Make decisions based on real-time data. With Power BI, you can track live data streams and get instant updates, so you're always working with the most current information. Feature 4: AI-powered analytics. Power BI's AI-powered analytics take your data analysis to the next level. Use natural language to ask questions, apply predictive analytics, and uncover hidden patterns, all with a few clicks. Feature 5: collaboration and sharing. Collaborate seamlessly with your team. Share dashboards and reports with colleagues across your organization, and work together on data-driven decisions, whether in the office or remotely. Feature 6: mobile access for on-the-go insights. Access your data anytime, anywhere. Power BI's mobile app gives you the flexibility to view and interact with your reports on the go, keeping you connected to your business insights at all times. Want to learn more? Visit our website www.appsbaba.cloud.